Mitochondrial transfer involves the careful transfer of healthy mitochondria from a donor egg to the recipient egg, addressing mitochondrial DNA-related issues that may affect fertility. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of our cells, responsible for energy production. When these thin structures are compromised, it can lead to various health challenges, including infertility.
Hello, I'm Josh.
And I'm Heidi.
And we're the Willis family. We're the proud parents of identical twins, which were the result of the amazing doctors and embryologists over at the International Fertility Group.
We're from the United States, but had treatment in Albania. And we were very pleasantly surprised when we found out that it was twins because we only transferred one embryo.
Prior to exploring our options with IFG, we faced the challenges of 6 failed IVFs.
All the doctors in the United States had said it would be impossible to conceive due to poor egg quality and unknown fertility issues. We then reached out to IFG that recommended that I do a genetic mutation panel, which gave us answers and a solution that involved mitochondrial donation.
So, how does the process unfold? First, we identify eggs with compromised mitochondria. Then we select a healthy donor egg with optimal mitochondria. Through a precise laboratory procedure, we transfer the nuclear material from the recipient egg to the donor egg, ensuring the resulting embryo carries the genetic material of the intended parents while benefiting from healthy mitochondria. Now, you may wonder, why is this procedure so significant? Mitochondrial transfer has been a game changer for individuals facing fertility challenges due to mitochondrial DNA issues. This procedure has offered hope to those dealing with recurrent pregnancy loss, poor embryo development, and certain genetic disorders linked to faulty mitochondria. By regenerating the energy-producing capabilities of the cells, mitochondrial transfer significantly improves the chances of a successful pregnancy.
As a result of mitochondrial donation, we were finally able to get the family that we always wanted while passing on our genes, but repairing any genetic defects that we actually had.
That could possibly affect them in their fertility journey in the future.
Mitochondrial donation, also known as mitochondrial replacement therapy or mitochondrial transfer, is a groundbreaking fertility solution that works effectively for genetic disease carriers and individuals of advanced maternal age.
After finally becoming a parent, I hope that this reproductive technology becomes accessible to everyone around the world. It's not fair that people in the United States and in other countries don't have this kind of access. We're super blessed that we met everyone over at IFG and that they brought this technology to us and gave us access to it. We would advise couples who are considering mitochondrial donation that the procedure is just as safe as IVF and to not even hesitate to go for it. It could give you the family you always wanted, and it truly is an amazing procedure.